In today's fast-paced digital world, having a strong online presence is crucial for any business. And at the heart of that online presence is your website. But here's an important question: is your website up to date? An outdated website can have a negative impact on your business. Let's explore why your business needs an updated website. First and foremost, an updated website ensures a positive user experience. Today's consumers expect fast-loading pages, intuitive navigation, and mobile responsiveness. If your website fails to meet these expectations, visitors may leave frustrated and turn to your competitors. An updated website adapts seamlessly to various devices and screen sizes. Whether your customers are browsing on their smartphones during their daily commute or researching on their desktop computers, your website will provide a consistent and enjoyable experience. Security is another crucial aspect. An updated website employs the latest security measures, ensuring the protection of your customers' sensitive information. This builds trust and credibility, essential factors for attracting and retaining customers. An updated website also provides valuable insights into your customers' behavior. Through analytics tools, you can gather data on website traffic, user engagement, and conversions. This information helps you make data-driven decisions to improve your marketing strategies and enhance customer satisfaction. Integrating your updated website with social media and a blog enables you to engage with your audience on multiple platforms. It allows you to share valuable content, promote your products or services, and interact with customers, expanding your reach and fostering brand loyalty. Now, think about your competitors. If they have updated, modern websites while yours appears outdated, potential customers may perceive them as more professional and trustworthy. Don't let an outdated website hold your business back from standing out in the digital landscape. So if you want to stay ahead in today's competitive market, it's time to invest in an updated website. Give your business the digital edge it deserves. Contact us now, Invicto Technologies. www.mvicto.com. Singapore +65 31 74 36 26. India +91 80 55 56 67 87. 022 488 08651. Thank you.